One of the advantages of trigonometry is it is very applicable to real life. One of the ways that we do this is by using the angle of elevation or the angle of depression from a particular sight line. So, if you are standing on the ground and you measure the distance from yourself to the bottom of an object, and then raise your eyes up and look at the top of the object, the measurement, the angle from the ground to the top of that object, those two lines, is called the angle of elevation. Angle of depression's a little bit harder because it makes the triangle upside down. If you do an angle of depression, then you're up high. So you're going to look straight out level, and then you're going to look down at the ground. And the angle from that level to the down on the ground is the angle of depression. That's a little bit of a trickier question for us to do. But we can use angle of elevation and angle of depression to find heights of things. As always with word problems, you should be drawing triangles. You should be drawing pictures. So, to measure the height of Lincoln's caricature at Mount Rushmore, a sighting is made of 800 feet from the base of the mountain if the angle of elevation to the top of Lincoln's head is 35 degrees. What is the height of the top of Lincoln's face? Okay, this is kind of a difficult question. So, we're going to give you a picture here. So, here's Lincoln. Obviously, Lincoln needs a hat, right? So, this is Lincoln's face. In Mount Rushmore, it's carved into the side of a mountain, and this is a really, really big face. So, what they did was they said, we're going to start 800 feet away from the bottom of Lincoln's face, right here. This is our 800 feet. Then we're going to sight a line to the tippy top of his face. And this angle right here is our angle of elevation from the base to the siding at the top. This is a 35-degree angle. What they want to know is how tall is Lincoln's face? So they want to know, what is this height X? And since we went straight up, can you see the right triangle that we have created? From the 35, what is this side down here? This is the adjacent leg. From the 35-degree, what is the other angle over here? That is the opposite leg. So, what puts opposite and adjacent together in our SOHCAHTOA? That's right, that is tangent. So, the tangent of 35 degrees is equal to TOA x over 800. What do we do is always the next step. We multiply both sides by the denominator. In this case, that's 800. And now we can see x, or the height of Lincoln's face, is 800 times the tangent of 35 degrees. Or if we put this into our calculator, we will see that is 560.166. And this is a height in feet.